Welcome, Dan.
Thank you.
You are now raising up to 135 million SEK in a rights issue of units. Could you please tell us a little bit more about this transaction and also what the proceeds will be used for?
Sure, I can do that, Thomas. So again, it's a rights issue. It's 135 million SEK, and today we just it's guaranteed up to 84% today. There are attached warrants to this TO6B. They strike in Q1 in 2024, and it's roughly 50 million additional SEK in the first quarter than in 2024. The rights issue for us is a way to restructure the capital of the company today. So it will be mainly used for paying back the loans that the company has today to reduce our debt to zero. It's also going to be used for aggressively moving forward with the growth of the company in 23-24 and into the year of 25.
Looking ahead, what would you say would be the key milestones and objectives of the company for the next 12 to 18 months? How would you summarize that?
So apart from the restructuring of the capital that I just mentioned, the key milestones of the company are oriented towards growth. With the objectives and the goals that we have for the company to generate 100 million SEK in sales revenues at the end of 25 and to be cash positive, the milestones that we've set for ourselves really is about growing sales within the geographical regions that I mentioned earlier on in the urology segment, in the neurosurgical segment, both in the US, Asian Pacific, and Europe. So in order to achieve that, we are going after additional market clearances in the Asian Pacific region as well as in the US region. We're also looking at scaling up our operations, so supply chain, and in terms of our sales organization and sales channels. There's another objective for us, again, to have additional partnerships, but also to grow internally within the company to be able to generate the revenues that we are going after. This will start happening this year. It's already happening at this point in time. We will additionally to that continue to grow in 2024 the organization, making sure that we have all the bits and pieces of the organization in place to be able to grow and to increase the sales revenues of the company. Again, it includes making sure that our operations meet the requirements of our customers, to be able to respond more quickly, to have redundancy in the supply chain. Simply put, make sure that we don't get any stop in supplying and delivering and distributing our products into the market.
Thank you, Dan.
Thank you.